I've been in manufacturing now for the best part of 22 years. And when I started, I was quite young. And the manufacturing industry, all the senior roles, they always been male dominated. It took me a long time at my previous company to get a foot on the ladder and start climbing that ladder. I joined the company as an operator and I worked my way through to being operations manager in quite a large plastic environment. But as I say, we were supplying automotive and that's extremely male dominated and it can be quite an aggressive environment as well. I've had to grow up and I've had to be extremely strong and strong-willed and determined to get where I am and to progress within this industry. And I'm now head of group operations for the business, so not only managing the manufacturing facility on site in the UK, but I'm also responsible for the global warehouses as well we have. And the business has been extremely supportive to have a woman in manufacturing, and I think they're extremely proud to say that we're driving the business forward and we're improving, and we are taking manufacturing forward with all the new technologies and new equipment we've got. And we've got a woman driving that within the business. Over the years, I've learned that to succeed in this industry, you have to be extremely determined, you've got to be focused, and you've got to be driven. But you've also got to put yourself out there. You've got to let people know that you want to progress and that you're willing to work hard to succeed. Because if you don't, nobody's going to give you a chance if you don't let them know that you're willing to do that and you want that chance.